are you doing? It's raining. Is it raining? Is it raining? Look, you broke that. You broke that. I had to... Oh, sorry, I just punched in the face. Yeah, you like rain, don't you? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Raining. You like the taste of the rain? Stop licking the cat flap. Yes. All her toys are out there. And she's posted them all out, hasn't she?
Does she get wet?
Yes. Part of her head is coming out.
Oh my god.
She's stuck. One arm at a time. One arm at a time. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Yep, I think I'll do that again. That was fun. I was rescued. What's this? It's like a post box for babies.